role na Deacon ka? Thank you. And ano yung challenging part playing that role?
My initial reaction. Wait now. Hello, hi everybody. Hope you guys are having fun this afternoon. Okay, my initial reaction was kaya ko yun. Just because I never played a role na priest. I mean, it was mostly romantic, di ba? Yung Pulang Araw. Pulang Araw was heavy drama, and then Maria Clara naman historical, then medyo rom-com, maging sino ko man action, and then now, priest. So, ang challenge dito is how do I make it still entertaining despite my role na obviously, if you're a priest, you would think na relax lang, timid, hindi ba? So yun yung naging challenge ko talaga, like, how do I still make it entertaining? Yeah.
And playing the role of Deacon, ano yung mga realizations mo or reflecting mo? Yung mga natutunan mo?
What I learned is, I think in life, it is okay to make mistakes as long as you learn how to learn from your mistakes. Then eventually, hindi mo na siya gagawin ulit. So I think it's always better to like know kung bakit mo siya nagawa. And then from there, you learn from it. And eventually, for sure, hindi mo na siya gagawin in the future.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.